Are you ready to find lasting love and walk down the aisle? I'm here to tell you that finding a husband in 90 days is possible, but it takes a game plan, it takes action, and it takes doing the work. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna lay out a step-by-step plan to get you hitched up and happy.
If you haven't done so as yet, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
Up because we're about to dive headfirst into the world of love and marriage. Let's get started. Look, you can't find Mr. Right if you don't know who Mr. Right is, right? It's like trying to hit a target in the dark. You need to turn on the lights and see clearly who you're aiming for. This isn't just about finding someone who looks good on paper or ticks off a few superficial boxes. It's about finding someone who truly complements you, someone who aligns with your values, your goals, and your vision for the future. You need to define your ideal partner. Take some time to sit down and really think about what you want in a partner. This isn't a task to be rushed. Grab a journal, a pen, and start writing. What qualities are most important to you? What kind of personality traits do you find attractive? What are the deal breakers for you? And I'm not talking about some fairy tale fantasy. This isn't about finding Prince Charming or a perfect person who doesn't exist. It's about being realistic and honest with yourself. Sure, it's okay to have high standards, but they need to be grounded in reality. Think about the qualities that will make a relationship work in the long run, not just the ones that sound good in a romantic movie. I'm talking about real-life, compatible qualities. What are your non-negotiables? These are the things you absolutely must have in a partner. Maybe it's honesty, kindness, or a shared sense of humor. Maybe it's a passion for travel or a love for animals. Whatever it is, make sure you know what you can't live without.
If you haven't done so as yet, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
What are your core values? Do you want children? These are big questions that need clear answers. If you want a family and your partner doesn't, that's a fundamental incompatibility that could cause major issues down the line. Be upfront with yourself about what you want and need in these areas. What are your goals and aspirations? Do you want to travel the world, start a business, or settle down in a quiet town? Your partner should support and share in your dreams, not hold you back. Think about where you see yourself in 5, 10, or 20 years, and what kind of person you want by your side on that journey. These are the questions you need to be asking yourself. Write down the answers. Be honest. Don't sugarcoat it. This is your life, and your happiness on the line. The more honest you are with yourself now, the better your chances of finding a partner who truly fits with you. This list is your roadmap to love. It's your guide to navigating the often confusing and challenging world of dating. With this list, you'll have a clear idea of what you're looking for, which will make it easier to spot the right person when they come along. It's your guide to weeding out the wrong guys and zeroing in on the right one. When you know what you want, it's easier to recognize what you don't want. You'll be able to quickly identify red flags and avoid wasting time on relationships that aren't going anywhere. Remember, we're not settling for just anyone here. You deserve someone who meets your standards and makes you happy. Don't let loneliness or societal pressure push you into a relationship that doesn't feel right. Stay true to your list and trust that the right person is out there. We're looking for a lifetime partner, someone who will be there through the ups and downs, who will support you and grow with you. This is about finding a deep, meaningful connection that will stand the test of time. So, let's get clear on what that looks like for you. Take the time to visualize your future with your ideal partner. Picture the life you want to build together. The more detailed and vivid your vision, the more likely you are to recognize it when it appears in your life. This is your journey to love, and it starts with knowing exactly what you're looking for. Ladies, listen up. If you're waiting for Prince Charming to come knocking on your door, you might be waiting a long time. Life isn't a fairy tale, and sometimes you have to take the first step. Prince Charming is not going to magically appear on your doorstep. You need to be proactive and take charge of your social life. You've got to get out there and meet people. Whether it's a casual meetup or a formal event, every interaction is an opportunity to expand your social circle. Join a club, take a class, volunteer. These activities not only help you learn new skills but also introduce you to people who share your interests. Imagine discussing your favorite book with fellow book lovers or learning a new recipe in a cooking class. Volunteering can also be incredibly rewarding and a great way to meet like-minded individuals. Go to places where you can meet people who share your interests. Whether it's a hobby group, a seminar, or a community event, these are perfect settings to connect with others. The more you engage in activities you love, the more likely you are to meet people who resonate with you. And don't be afraid to try online dating. In today's digital age, online platforms can be a fantastic way to meet new people. It's convenient, and you can connect with potential matches from the comfort of your home. It's like having a personal matchmaker in your pocket. You can browse through profiles, see who you might be compatible with, and start conversations with people who catch your interest. Swipe right on profiles that intrigue you, and don't hesitate to reach out. A simple message can be the start of something wonderful. Remember, everyone on these platforms is there for the same reason, to meet someone new. And don't be afraid to make the first move. Confidence is attractive, and taking the initiative can set you apart. Whether it's sending the first message or suggesting a meetup, being proactive can lead to great connections. Remember, the more people you meet, the better your chances of finding that special someone. Each new person you encounter brings a new opportunity for friendship, romance, or even just a fun conversation. So put yourself out there, be approachable, and show genuine interest in others. A warm smile and open body language can go a long way in making you seem more inviting. Get ready to mingle, embrace every opportunity to meet new people, and you'll find that expanding your social circle can be both fun and fulfilling. The world is full of amazing individuals just waiting to meet you. This journey isn't just about finding a husband, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. Take a look in the mirror. Are you taking care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally? Are you exercising, eating right, and getting enough sleep? Are you pursuing your passions and taking care of your mental health? Remember, you attract what you project. So, if you want to attract a high-quality partner, you need to be a high-quality woman. Invest in yourself, ladies. It's the best investment you'll ever make. Honesty is the bedrock of any successful relationship, especially marriage. It forms the foundation upon which trust is built. Without honesty, misunderstandings and resentment can easily take root, leading to a breakdown in communication and connection. When you are open and truthful with your partner, you create a safe space where both of you can express your true selves without fear of judgment or rejection. This openness fosters a deeper emotional bond and strengthens the relationship over time. Don't play games, don't send mixed signals, and don't pretend to be someone you're not. These behaviors can create confusion and mistrust, making it difficult for your partner to understand your true intentions and feelings. Instead, strive to be genuine and transparent in your interactions. If something is bothering you, address it directly rather than letting it fester. Clear and honest communication helps to resolve conflicts more effectively and prevents small issues from escalating into larger problems. Be upfront about what you're looking for and what you expect from a partner. Whether it's your long-term goals, your values, or your boundaries, sharing these aspects of yourself early on can help ensure that you and your partner are on the same page. This clarity can prevent misunderstandings and disappointments down the line. It's important to remember that being honest about your needs and desires is not selfish. It's a crucial part of building a healthy and fulfilling relationship. And listen, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about expressing your own thoughts and feelings, but also about being receptive to your partner's perspective. Active listening involves giving your full attention, acknowledging their feelings, and responding thoughtfully. This mutual exchange of ideas and emotions helps to build empathy and understanding, which are essential components of a strong relationship. Be open to hearing what the other person has to say, even if it's not what you want to hear. Sometimes your partner's feedback or concerns may be difficult to accept, but it's important to approach these conversations with an open mind and a willingness to grow. Constructive criticism can be an opportunity for personal and relational growth if approached with a positive attitude. Remember, your partner's perspective is valuable and can offer insights that you may not have considered. Remember, you're trying to build a life together, and that requires trust, respect, and open communication. These elements are the cornerstones of a lasting and meaningful relationship. Trust allows you to feel secure and confident in your partnership. Respect ensures that you value each other's individuality and contributions, and open communication keeps the connection strong and resilient. By prioritizing these principles, you can navigate the challenges of life together and create a loving and supportive environment. So ditch the games and start being real. Authenticity is the key to a fulfilling relationship. When both partners are genuine and honest, it creates a solid foundation for love and trust to flourish. Embrace vulnerability and share your true self with your partner. This openness will not only deepen your connection, but also pave the way for a more harmonious and joyful life together. In the end, being open and honest is not just about avoiding problems, it's about building a relationship that can withstand the test of time. Finding a husband takes effort. You can't just sit back and wait for it to happen. You have to be proactive. Go on dates, put yourself out there, and don't be afraid of rejection. It's part of the process. Remember, every no gets you closer to a yes. And most importantly, don't give up. Finding love takes time. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So pace yourself, stay positive, and keep putting one foot in front of the other. Your person is out there. Don't stop until you find him. Well, there you have it, ladies, your step-by-step guide to finding a husband in 90 days. Remember, love is out there, but you have to be proactive and make it happen. Now, I want to hear from you. What resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more relationship advice. Until next time, stay positive, stay proactive, and keep the love alive. See you soon.